Hi everyone, Zach Pakoff here, and welcome back to another lesson video. Today, I will be going over the 20-1 work together. So let's jump right into the video. Okay, so as I had stated before, I'm going to be going over the 20-1 work together. In the last video, I read over the 20-1 text. If you did miss that video for any reason, please click the link in the description. But anyway, today I will be going over the 20-1 work together, where we will be calculating interest, maturity dates, and maturity values for promissory notes. So the instructions say, write the answers to the following problem in the working papers. Your instructor will guide you through the following example. Number 1. For each of the following promissory notes, calculate A, the interest on the note, B, the maturity date of the note, and C, the maturity value of the note. Save your work to complete work together 20-2. Alright, so as you can see here, we have the dates, the principal amounts, the interest rates, and the time in days. Okay, so now that I've read over the instructions, let's jump right into the 20-1 work together. Alrighty, so now we're going to be moving on to the 20-1 work together, in which we will be calculating interest, maturity dates, and maturity values for promissory notes. Alright, so that is the end of the 20-1 Work Together. In the next video, I will be going over the 20-2 text. Okay? Thank you.